C sharp kernel one side will be there. Open that.
C sharp. Is this it?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Scroll down. Scroll down. Down. Next. Wait. Scroll up.
DB context.
So this is This is see previously you can see employee class means employee entity. In the step 4 or 5 it is created in the beginning. From the beginning, just have a look on this and copy that link and paste in the chat so that everyone can open that also. Go there. From first step to just observe what it is doing. Did it? What it is doing here? What you observed, Tushar, in the first step?
It's just opening the project in the first step.
Now, which template it is taken?
The ASP.NET Core web application.
And what you taken?
Same one.
Same one. After doing so many things, I do
API one.
Oh, sorry.
Then how they have not taken API? Hmm? Why you have taken API? Scroll down, you will get to know. Scroll down.
Okay. In the
Scroll
project
down.
name. Okay, create. Okay,
Scroll
it's
down.
making the project here.
Don't read it blindly, yeah? Okay? Don't read it blindly.
I'm
After
trying
that,
to.
they had selected what? API. But we have
Okay.
already in the beginning, we have taken the what? Payal? We have selected what?
Web application.
Web application. But here, first it is taken web application, core web, then it is taken empty or API or web application or MVC. This way also you can take.
Okay.
Yes.
Understood the thing?
Yes.
Step 4. The project same na. We are also getting the same thing while creating
Yes,
the
weather
project.
forecast. Yes, the same.
Then next, check what it is doing. Installing some package, SQL Server tools. Done?
Yes.
Done or not?
Yes. We just
Then
did it.
next. It is created some entity class, employee.cs. In our case, what we have created? In our case, what we have created
We
the
have
entity class?
made the user
User. Okay. In the user, what is the primary key we have given?
the ID, user ID.
And here,
Here they are using employee ID.
understood? Primary key
Yes.
for what you have to provide?
Yes.
Identity. Next. There's a step. What? Context will be created.
Yes.
So for context folder, then context class. So in the context folder, right now, what you've done up to DB context.
We
Then
are here.
after that, what you have to do? You have to create one constructor.
Yes.
This is constructor, na?
Yeah.
Or
Right.
what? Company context is your class name. Then you are creating one constructor. This is constructor or anything else? Guys, Ankita? The 9 number line is what?
Constructor. It is a
Huh?
constructor.
Your voice is not clear.
Yes, it is a constructor.
Constructor. Ankit, this is constructor or something else? Then what you have to do right now? Your public class name, DB context options, same thing. You have to inherit some base options. Write it. Go there and write it. And then in the 50, after that, curly bracket, you have to create one DB set. What DB set? In your case, what you have to create?
Yes, sir.
User.
Yes, sir.
Go there and write it. Copy that line, na? Copy that and paste it. Copy that everything, then
Yes.
you will change up to 6:15. Yes, copy and paste. One bracket you are missed, I think. One bracket you missed, I think. Oh no, okay. And instead of company context, what will be?
Undo
Undo,
context.
undo
Wait,
context.
don't tell any, don't tell. What will be there, Tushar?
Undo context.
Write it under
Yeah,
context.
doing it.
Yeah. Okay.
And here user.
Then here user. Hover on that. So potential fix. Yeah.
No, we are not.
Coming the where you have created that. Okay. So your DB context created. Now what is the next step? Next step is in the startup you have to provide the connection. Go to the startup. Uncomment that line 29. And instead of bookstore context, what will be there?
Undo.
Write it. Undo. Check the spelling, write it, then you will it will not come. You have to write the spelling, then you will hover on that. Now hover. Input that.
Yeah.
Okay. Why this is importing? Because startup.c in Fundu nodes and sorry, Fundu context is in depository, but you are adding in some other folder. How it is taking? How it is importing? Can anyone tell? Yes, Manoj? How it is taking? How can it will be importing? Because you are creating in some other folder, na? How?
We are using the namespace and the identifying it with the folder name like dot.
No, but how the namespace is coming also here? How? It's not possible, na? How? Because the common layer is somewhere, repository layer is somewhere, Fundu node folder is some different project, na? These are repository layer is
Yes.
different project. And how it is taking? Can anyone tell?
Dependencies.
References,
reference
project references.
Because we have
with
given the project
namespace.
reference.
Yes, dependencies.
Dependency injection is there. Now hover on the SQL server and import the package. Okay. So our step is completed. Now go to that same link. Then we have to do the migration part. So go to that link.
The
Browser.
Chrome. Okay.
Hmm. Step 8 is what? Step 8 is connect to DB. You have to connect the DB. Here it is created what? Database, but we have already created the database. Scroll down. Created, na? Fundu node.
Yes.
Now it is, I think it is giving the connection string. You scroll down. Scroll down. See how it is giving the connection string. Already given, na? And added in the startup also. Services dot. Yes or no?
Yes.
Scroll up. In the ninth step, first step is connecting string. Ninth B is open the package manager and do the ninth step. How it is telling, just do the same, following it. Follow it. 9C, 9C,
9C.
open package manager and do na in your system.
Okay. Okay. Open the package manager console.
Hmm. Tools,
Tools.
package manager. NuGet package manager, under that
Yeah,
it is.
NuGet.
Package manager console. Package manager, you are not installing here, you will write some code, command.
My bad.
That's why I'm telling you, just refer that. Still you are not understanding.
Console.
Console, yeah,
Got it.
console. Okay. The first step is just check add migration is there, because you have completed the code, written the code. Now you have to migrate it. Migrate means what? You have connecting the string also. After migrating, your table will be created in your under Fundu node folder. Fundu node database in your SQL server. So for that, what is the command? Check it.
Add
Add
migration.
migration. Then some
User.
name. Add hyphen migration. Then in your case it is migration 1 or user 1, anything you could write. But I'm telling one thing to you everyone. This is EF core approach. Any silly mistake in your entity. Entity means under repository layer, that entity I'm talking about, not the common layer, that one. Anything means some field you are missing. Suppose you have given first name, you are forgetting the last name. And your migration also done, table also created. In the next time, if you change that or edit that, that will be not happen. That will be not modified. So for that, what you have to do? You have to again remove migration or delete the migration folder. Again, you have to use the steps and add migration, do that. So just check everything is, see, before migration, you have to save everything, check any error or not, build, clean the solution, then do add migration. Build it. I'm telling this time I could not repeat those things. So you have to understood this thing the next time.
Great.
Where we are right click on the solution, na? Build,
Yeah,
First.
build succeeded. I just did it.
succeeded. Okay.
Yeah, clean solution I'm doing now.
So there is no error, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Now do the console, go to the console and add migrate.
User one is fine, right?
User one, why? You could write user table because we are creating the table, na? User table.
Okay.
Give it.
That's I
If
ordered.
next time you are creating, then you could give user one. This is the first time. Anything you could give custom one, okay? Select the repository layer because your entity is in which folder? Which layer? Shubham,
Suppose it, sorry.
entity is in which folder? Which layer? Shubham Thakre. Are you there
Yeah,
or sleeping?
I'm
Which folder?
clear.
Select repository layer. Means in the drop down select repository layer.
Uh,
Where the default project drop down is there, na? Fundo node
oh
is
yeah.
above, check.
Oh sorry.
Repository layer. Now migrate. Enter. What happened?
Still showing the same
Check
thing.
the spelling. Add migration. See,
I copied it.
migration or what you have written? Migration. Okay. Good.
Is it wrong?
Migration, yeah, migration. This is M for
Yeah.
mango.
That's what I did.
Then why it is not taking? Migration is there, no?
Oh, no.
One
See,
second.
it's the same thing.
1 second. 1 second. Wait. Uh, okay. Oh. So I'm sending 2 packages in the chat. Just copy that and paste. You have to install those packages because you have not installing, that's why it is not taking. Go to the package manager, Nigot package manager, and the version is same 5.0.1. Yeah, install it. See, before that, just check that it is installed or not installed. How to check? Double click on the repository layer. Double click. Right now you have, okay, this SQL server, and where is your tool? You have not installed the tool one?
Microsoft tool. I did it.
Then where?
Uh,
Where it is? If you did it, then where it is? So, sir,
no,
check in the install, na? Install, check it.
yeah, okay.
Install is there, na? Click on the install.
Installed, yes.
You have not installed.
Did not install.
Install
Okay.
it.
Mm.
It has gone for 2 minutes and I told you install that. Then you have not installed also, yeah? Huh?
I was doing it as you were leaving.
But it
Microsoft
is
Entity
not
Framework.
there.
Yeah,
Again
that's what
install.
I'm wondering.
And select the same repository
See, I've
one, okay?
also searched it here. you can see.
Tool. Second
Yes.
one. Select the repository layer 5.0.7. Install it. Because it is related to database, that's why it is not installing in your migration path. Not the other package. Other package is needed, but that is for different thing.
Nice. Tools. Okay. It's visible now. Now this one.
Then,
Yes.
okay, now
there it is.
again build it, again migrate it.
Okay. So the one
Whenever you
that
are migrating, again, every time you have to build.
the one you just sent, I don't have to install that one.
You will install later, okay? You will install later. Not taking?
No. Repository here. Migration is fine.
Build it. Build succeeded.
Yes, build succeeded.
Okay.
Build succeeded. See?
Go to Nigot Package Manager. And I'm sending in the chat this first one and another one. Microsoft Entity Framework.design. These two packages install in repository layer. Then wait. This design one, framework code.design. This you have to install in every layer. Okay.
Okay.
Design one. And the first entity framework core, that only you have to install in the repository. Understood? And this one only for repository. 5.7.
One second. Do I not have this? Oh, installed. No, I don't have. Okay.
What? Go to install again. Click on the design. For design, you have to select whole layer,
Okay.
sir. And for other thing, you have to select only repository. Yeah. Because the design means what? You are in the Microsoft Entity Framework. It is designed because the connection string you are connected into startup. Startup is under Fundu, means in the control folder. That's why this design package must needed.
Design
But
for
Entity
all.
Framework core is only repository.
Cool.
Because this Entity Framework core already in the your Fundu node or somewhere. Okay. In the repository you have to install.
5.0.1 install.
Now clean build again do it.
Mm. It succeeded. It succeeded.
Clear it first. The clear command is clear.
Same.
What is the error you are getting? Add migration is no.
Not recognized.
Check the spelling. Check the spelling to the name, to the path,
MIGRATION.
verify. Path is correct and try again. Add hyphen migration.
MIGRATION. Spelling should be correct.
What to sir?
Yes.
Add migration. Write it A capital DDD hyphen migration. Write it again.
A is capital. 1 second.
Ah,
I copied from here. It was small, so that's why.
that is 2021. Not an issue. The small this is taking only small letter also. Don't use a same user double something gives else something
Something
else.
else.
Users give it users now. Enter.
Let's data.
Enter.
No.
The Tom made migration. So for migrations, okay. I think some package is missing. Wait. Okay. Tools, have you installed tools? Okay. One more is needed. That is Microsoft Data.SQL client. Because of that, it is not taking. Do one thing. Now go to that link. Sir.
This one.
Scroll up. Yes.
This one.
See, select the data source Microsoft SQL Server client. This package you have not installed. This
Okay.
package is needed.
Microsoft SQL Server.
No, this is you are opening the SQL Server here, but for that you have to install one more package. I have sent
Further.
in chat. Copy that and paste, install it. And for this you can select 3.0.1 version because our version is 3.0.1. Okay, that's why. 6. Also 0 also we can take, but in that some library is missing or some library is latest library. So for that you have to do means the code is totally different, right? In the program.cs you have to write by yourself. But if you take 3.1, then system public void mains everything is there, na Manoj? If you take 3.1,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, install.
Okay, this one is for
Done.
which layer? Only for repository?
Only for repository.
Okay, installing now.
Yeah. Okay. Now the one again. Do.
So, we succeeded.
Add migrate.
Same.
Are you building or not building? I could not see the message. Yeah.
I just did it. I said build succeeded.
Okay.
See?
Since 3 will succeed there. Close the package manager console again and do it. Close it again open.
Do build again.
Package we are missing or I think it's startup.cs. How to install? Tool. Open that tool. Tool is you have installed or not installed?
I have installed in front of you just now.
Okay, I can check. Tools is there, client is there, tools. Okay.
Repository layer tools.
And in the design one, do one thing now. Double click on the business layer. And fundo
Design.
nodes.
Design.
One second. In the fund, okay. Design is there. SQL Server also install it here. Microsoft Entity Framework 4.SQL Server in the fundo node project. SQL Server.
So yes.
Fourth one, yes. Fundo You have not installed anywhere? This one?
I just did it. When I asked you in the repository layer, see it's showing the version here.
Okay, only repository and Fundu node. Install
Okay.
it. Repository also, yeah, repository.
Repository it was showing the 1 second. I will do it again.
But if you right now uncheck na, then it will be, I think, not there.
Oh, okay.
Double click on the repository. Okay, it's already showing. Okay, now fine, fine.
That's what I was saying.
Mhm. Okay, now save everything. Save. Okay,
Let's build again then.
check again. Build.
Build succeeded.
Okay.
Application still the same error.
You are doing something wrong here. How it is possible? Huh?
I don't
Everything
know.
is done. It's showing error. This should not happen. This is my M or N here. Zoom it here. The command. How it is possible? Huh? Why this migration is not taking in your case? It must take.
I don't know. I'm doing this for the first time.
Anyone is trying this till now? Okay, no one. Go to that link na. Go to that link.
Yeah. This one?
Hmm. Microsoft Entity Framework Core.
Yes. In SQL
You
Server
install
entities.
this one Core 1? I think no.
Version what? Let's see.
Check Microsoft Core.
Install.
Core. Where you install? I
It's in
told Core you have
repository.
installed. You are confusing me.
It's only repository.
Core. No, Core, I think I told you only repository, but you selected Fundo also.
This is the
Okay, no
previous selection.
issue.
Please ignore this. See this. It's installed in
Yes.
repository.
It is repository is installed. Fine.
Yes.
Then and the core and design both are selected in every layer, right?
Core you just said
Design
is in repository. Design is in everyone.
everywhere. Okay.
Yes.
Mm, Go to startup.cs.
Startup. Yes.
I'm sending in chat just where we're adding the context one. Before that, just add this line. Services dot add controller.
Oh, okay.
Up to last.
So here.
And import that package.
So remove the add controllers, the first one.
What? No. That
This
is
was
for
already
another
here.
one.
Okay.
I know that is already there.
Okay. Okay.
No. Import that.
Add
Again,
Newton.
again, hover that. It will come.
Okay.
Somewhere it is stuck.
We have to install
Add
the
name.
JSON also.
Newton soft.
For that you have to install JSON, but this is not necessary for right now doing this. What is happening? This just now the previous phase is done. This is not. This is a first issue I'm observing. The migration is not happening. Entity framework core is done na. Entity framework core dot design you have installed. What I'm telling you that is from some JSN related to, but that is not needed. Ignore that. Control Z. Undo it.
Okay.
Okay. Apart
Ma'am,
from this,
the
everything is
small
correct.
add should be used there while using migration. Small a.
Small also taking, capital also taking. Yeah. Okay. I used this issue. I am saying only. This should not come. This issue. The term aid migration is not recognized. Is telling. Right? Yeah. Small add. Right?
Okay. I will build again just to be sure it succeeded.
It's still in ready state too, sir. Why are you build succeeded telling? Still in ready
What?
state. Your system is still in ready state. Where is your output? Show me the output, na? Output window, where is output window?
Yes.
Zero succeeded. See.
Yeah, because it was already succeeded before. That's why the
No, not like it must be one succeeded. Okay, no issue. Again, do it the add hyphen migration. Right?
okay,
Maybe your connection string is wrong. That's why.
maybe.
Go to SQL server. Hmm, okay. Database is Fundu notes. Same na Fundu note you have given. FU and spelling.
Yes.
The connection. Check
Let's
again in
see.
the app
Copy
setting
again.
and the startup.cs also. Check it again. Okay. The key
Uh,
is different. Okay. Key you can give any custom key.
Okay. So when I
And
paste it here, it gives this bracket. Should I leave this or
no, if there is no issue, sometimes taking bracket also. Okay, no issue. Do
okay?
one thing right now. Go to launchsetting.com, launchsetting.json. That is under your Fondu node folder, under properties folder.
There properties. Okay.
Click on that. Windows authentic make the Windows authentication false and anonymous authentication true. Yes, Ankit.
Mm. Should I make this change or undo it before
Yeah,
doing it?
obviously you make this change because Windows authentication is needed. I have not told this because I forgot this one.
Okay.
Save it. Do one thing. Have you saved now? Okay. Close
Yes.
this one again. Restart from your manually SLN file.
Okay. Let me just see that everything is saved. Save.
Click on the file and save all, na?
Yes. Control shift S.
Close this one also SQL Server. Open from your SLN, double click on the SLN. Sometimes it is taking stuck also. I'll check again. Yeah, we have installed so many all the packages. This design part also, na, for migrating purpose, this is not needed. For writing code and checking that time it is needed. Still, it is not migrating means check again check. Maybe system is stuck or something or some because of something else.
It started. Thank you. What?
Select repository layer.
From the drop down, select repository layer. Yeah.
Oh, change on. So,
Okay, you
okay.
can see in the DB context folder, one migration folder has been created automatically. Not here, code.
Oh,
Created now. So click on that file. So your table has been created. That click on the file now. File.
okay.
Under migration folder, to sir.
Oh, migration. Yes. Got it.
Double click on that. Double click on
User
that,
atom.
to sir. Arey, double click now.
Double click it. The
The
user
some
atom, right?
designer.cs will be open. No, not this one. Yeah, above one.
Okay.
Why are opening the double click na .cs file? It is first one. One snapshot will be created. One designer. Yes. So your user ID is null level means primary key identity is 1, 1. It will start from 1. Then other thing whatever get taken in the molecule that is in the created. But it is not showing in the table. Sorry, the database. Why? Because we have not used the update database command. So go to the same console.
Okay.
Write update hyphen database. Enter. Build a failed. Why? Build failed. Database. The update database.
DATABASE.
Why build failed? That is the issue.
Not showing any issue, just showing build failed. Should I build it again? Everything?
Build it again then.
So there are two errors.
Okay. Go to repository layer. Some issue is there. Error is fine. Fundo context. What is this?
This is
Okay.
opening the designer one.
Remove migration again.
Okay.
Go to that console, write the remove hyper migration command. In the above also it's telling you the spelling also. Enter.
Okay.
Build failed it's telling you and build it then. Build is
So
not
when I'm
succeeded.
doing build, it's showing this errors.
Then delete the migrate folder directly. Migration folder is done. And don't delete the DB context, okay?
Okay.
Migration folder.
Migration this
Select
one.
the migrated hold folder. Delete. Whenever this error will come, you have to delete and again you have to do. And after this, there are so many advanced topics you have to do. One to many relationship. You have to understood this thing. Okay. Build it again. Why? What are you doing? No. What are you doing?
Migrate.
What are you doing, Tusa?
Oh, sorry. Yes. Sorry. Sorry.
It
I
will
forgot that we
automatically
didn't
come.
make it. Yes. Okay, got it. Let me
Build
build
it.
it again. Yes.
Uh,
Output.
Now error list check block is coming. Okay. It's still in ready. Don't नीचे देखो ना वो
Yes.
ready. Okay, build succeeded.
No.
Now I can do add migration. Use upper or na?
Yeah.
Enter. Then update database. Enter.
Again. Failed.
Build failed. Error also not showing.
This error is coming in the files that it's making.
Okay.
See.
Build is user time. DB context. Migration. You have not made the DB context is public class.
Um,
Check it. DB context means Fundu context. Fundu context class तो sir repository layer में है.
there are so many things I'm skipping on it.
नीचे 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 है repository layer.
Yeah, fun.
Fundu context. Click on that. फाइल को ओपन करो ना. पब्लिक तो है.
Public.
Data set users. One second. This is also first new error is coming. I have not seen this type of error previously. What is it? DB context now. Data set is there on one. Okay. So yes, everything is done. Directed on. Go to that link here. After that, DB context, what is the next step? Check. Connection is given, then check. Migration is
DB
done.
context. Then add migration done. Once
Next.
we run successfully, you will find, okay, we did this. Connection migration will see the table as schema. Okay.
Next. Okay. Wait. That protected override. Go to the DB context na, where that step 9, step 9b or some. Go there. DB context class, where you are copying na that options, that one. Below. Class, DB context class. Before it is, I think. Scroll up. This one.
DB context.
So DB said up to this one we have done. Connect to DB. Field failed. There is no error also.
There is error after we do the add migrate. These two errors.
Copy that error.
1 second.
Paste in the Google. Fundu context is namespace, but used like a type. Okay. Go to Fundu context. It's saying it's like it, not a namespace repository layer dot Fundu context. DB context is there. Okay, just gone through this topic again. We'll discuss tomorrow, okay? Because right now my mind is also not working.
Okay, I will try to do it
So
from the beginning one more
try
time.
to do it, and just because in the system you are done, na.
Yes.
So just tell to everybody how to create the 3D activity structure, okay? So do one thing, Tushar.
Yes.
Go to your create one group here. Create one group. How
Hangout
to
group.
create one group? Go to Hangout, Google Hangout.
Yeah.
Because I could not create, because I could not add your Gmail account, okay? Because I use my BizLab account. It's a Samuel group. Start group conversation. Click on that.
Name.
Click on that. Okay. Array, create one group, na? Hello.
That's what I was doing.
Array,
Create-
select na
create
start
space.
group.
It's create space. Okay.
Give
CFB.
it .NET, CFB-.NET patch. Just give anything, they will modify
okay.
it. CFB.NET batch, write it. Batch.
Oh, batch.
Okay.
Create.
Wait, wait here.
I
Okay,
think
you've
they,
created. Fine.
yeah.
Fine. Now go to your mail. Invitation, that one.
Email. Okay.
Inbox. Below, one by one, just copy here. Sagar, that is. I will add Gunjan and Agan, sir. First of all, add me. The below one, my mail is there. Below.
Once
Nivedita
again,
dot Jenna.
I think there will be a link here to add. Is there not?
That's why
Okay.
I'm telling. First of all, copy na, then you will paste here.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah. It will not come because you have not used previously, na, this emails.
Yeah.
If you use, then it will suggest you. Copy. Right click and copy. No, right click. Okay.
Sorry.
Right click. Copy email address.
Copy email address. Got it.
Now go there. Add. If you put paste, don't create. Don't. Don't send.
No?
Select it. This one.
That's what I was saying.
Don't send right now. Just go there
Okay.
and again copy from other one.
Yeah, I will do the rest of them. You are first. Again, we have to here
Yeah.
then. And Gunjan sir, I have to
No need.
not do
I
the
will add
right.
them. No issue.
Gunjan sir and Nagendra
Apart
sir,
from
you will
Gunjan
do
and
rest.
Nagendra, just add.
Yeah. Okay, I will do rest of them.
No, do it now.
No.
And anything
Okay.
else, or I will add. I think you are the organizer. I think you have to add only. Right now I need here. That's why I'm telling. Edit it will not take so much time. And who has got, just tell me you are got. And who has not got, or whose name is not there, then paste in the chat so that
Uh,
Tushar will add.
Pratik, I am adding.
No, don't add Pratik.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, Ankita.
Ma'am, from tomorrow onwards, 8:30 will be there, na class?
Yeah.
Okay. And from 11, doubt session is there, like class only is there, no?
Yes, class is 8:30 to 10:30. Then we will take break 1 hour. Then again 11:30 to 12:30 because today is starting 8:30 and right now it is 1:20. No one is taking so much time. Okay. So
Yes.
just check you are getting the invitation or not, everyone.
8:30, I
And
have
who has
to.
not got, just tell. Manoj. Okay, Manoj,
Um,
provide your mail ID in the chat.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Aspin. Just copy that, those are, and add.
Ma'am, in the same link, we have to do the class, no? Of
Yes, Manoj and Bisal. I think you guys don't have this link. So just uh, this link, just bookmark this link so that at 8:30 will join. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No, in the same link also you can join. Okay. Otherwise, share the morning link also here. So you guys tell me in which link I will join. In which link, because both link are, someone is not having, someone is having. This link I think everyone is having, right? Currently.
Yes, ma'am. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
So just bookmark this link in your system and I will join at 11 to 1 that link. Okay. And who has not joined, then message to someone so that I can admit you, and otherwise you are not able to allow that also.
Yes.
Okay. And check right now everyone is getting or not. 15 member is what, 14. Abhinav Kumar got it. Invitation, group invitation.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't be in mute here. Already I don't have any questions. Tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Just telling yes or no. Why you guys taking time? I don't understand actually. Aksada,
Yes, ma'am, joined.
Ankit Man, Ankit Raghu Vansi.
Ma'am, not got the invitation right now.
Not sent to sir. Just check here once.
Ankita Raghuvanshi,
Anita,
here.
Ankita. Check once in the inbox, mail inbox. Ankita.
Yes, ma'am.
Check. Aswin,
Yes, ma'am, I received.
Aswin, Ganesh, Manoj.
Yes, ma'am. I
I
got the
tell you,
invitation.
yes or no, don't wait. Okay. If this is not done anything that I am asking, you are replying. Payal,
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Sagar, Subham,
Yes.
checking. Tushar, okay. Then Bisal. Bisal,
Yeah, done, ma'am. Got it.
done. So everyone has got the invitation also. So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will add the sash, okay. So, so your task is right now it is 1:20. So take your lunch around 2:30 or 3. You have to post in the group what you covered because so many things you have covered today. You have covered, okay. I could not take so many things today. This is the first day, okay. No issue. I will the same link EF code that one and the C sub command this one. These two link. Okay, just send in the chat, Tushar. I think you have these two link.
Which two?
The EF core, that one.
Oh, these
Again
two.
send it now.
This one, right?
This one
Okay.
and
And this
another
one.
is EF core.
Okay, got it.
Send
I'll
in
send
the
it in the
chat.
Hangouts. In the Hangout?
No. In the chat, send
In the
it
chat.
now.
Okay.
Okay. So these two already you have seen. Again, you have to gone through this. And the next is three-tier architecture. So before that, you have to know about what is API, what is controller, what is authentication. So same thing in CSAP Kannar one is there. Okay, I will share that link after some time. Okay. So till now, just create your structure and gone through what is you have done. And I am telling one more thing also. Whatever you done till now, Tushar, just you can show and help to others also. They can do something, but don't install any other package. Don't delete any package. Don't do anything. If you do that, then some conflict again it will come, and you will be again to create one more project newly. That's why I'm telling. If you don't know other, and I mean like some Newton just packet or authorization, if till now don't know, then don't install. Just gone through that. Gone through that video in the session when I tell you, because in where you have to install that, that will also very important. Because I also gone through that. If some, because sometimes I did that, so again I have to remove all the means newly I have to create the one more project. Okay, so that's why remember those things. And your task is to say you have already done. So first step is you have to create one branch, the repository, and first branch is what? EF core approach. You see one hyphen EF core approach, and because till now you are getting some issue, so just create one branch. Once the issue has been done, then you will push that code. Then next will be your UC1 hyphen add user. Then you will do update, then delete, like that. Login, then forget password, then so that. Okay, I will tell tomorrow. And I'm sharing those topics which you will learn here. Okay, just a second. One second. Okay,
Can I stop sharing now?
so yeah, you can stop sharing. So everyone getting the hangout, na? You added me or not yet? Have you
You
added
are the
me?
first idea.
First added.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not getting, ma'am.
Fine.
Hello, ma'am.
Who is not added?
Also not
No,
good.
Yeah,
me
Subham,
maximum.
just check
I
here.
didn't get invitation.
No,
I
no.
didn't get invitation.
He
ma'am.
added
Never
there.
get it.
So then what Gmail you provided na in the your meeting link, that email, through that email link, just log in your system, then you will get. check your mail, same mail. I think you are checking some different mail. That's why you're
Already
not
did,
getting.
ma'am.
So,
I have
sir,
email.
once more, then send your Gmail in the chat box. Ganesh and Subham. So, sir, again, ready.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 second. And just add it, yeah, to sir, okay? Then you guys can drop. I will post in the group, okay? What are the things you have to cover?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have to update. Don't forget to update, okay? At 2:30. Then one is 5:30. Another is 7:30. 3 times.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And today's your task is you have to go through theater architecture, EF core approach, and the dependency injection, and those things. Whatever you've done, not till now.
She will share the screen, make sure that it's correct.
What to say?
I'm sharing the screen for them to make sure that I'm putting it correct.
Right now you can take a break here for lunch. Okay.
No, I'm sharing the screen for them to to add them to Hangout.
Not understanding it.
And they were saying that they are not, the link is not showing up. I'm just adding in front of them so that there's no confusion.
Okay.
Error loading.
Okay. In the group, I have posted something. Are you able to see that? Everyone able to see that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wait, something
Yes, ma'am.
else also I have posted. Wait. Delete that. There is no delete option. Okay. Uh, okay, no issue. I'm again posting. So for copy paste mistake is there. In the notepad, I'm posting this. Ignore that. Okay, I'm again pasting. Just check it. Up to this topic, you have to read. Okay. First is basic of .NET, list, etc. Then SQL Server, serial architecture. You can see the flow. After hitting the API, then it will go to the controller, then business layer, then repository, then command. Then suppose the example API is this one, then it will go to controller. I've written the flow also. Then entity framework, what is API, what is controller. This part you have to go through these topics. C sub kernel is the best one, and anything else also you want to go, then you can search there. Okay, just gone through these topics. Fine, guys.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
The previous one just ignore. Okay, previous one.
Yes, ma'am.
Gone through this topic and these two links. These two links also I'm sharing again, and one more that is I'm sharing. Just till now, just gone through these two links. This is very important. This EF code and this this one. And there will be make sure that I could not repeat you. Please post in the group. I could not message in the group. Don't let me post that thing. Okay. Fine.
Shubham, is this not our email here?
Yeah, I got.
Subham, refresh your inbox. You will get it.
I
Refresh.
got, ma'am.
And Ganesh is also here.
Ganesh also you will check. Refresh once.
Yeah, I got.
Fine, guys. We will drop. So many time is already extended. Okay. So go on
Yes,
through
ma'am.
that and check it. Tomorrow, everyone's have been created the structure and the migration also. Try the migration, okay? Try the migration. Although I will tell the migration, then we'll start the dependency injection. Start writing the code, okay? Tomorrow.
Yes,
There will be
yes,
no
ma'am.
doubt session, okay? 8:30 join. Then we'll take break 1 hour. Then again we'll discuss the things.
Ma'am,
I know it's not possible in 1 or 2 study, but then the whole the rest of the day you'll work on that. Then tomorrow, the next day you have to show me what you did, okay?
excuse me, ma'am.
3 times you have to post, okay? First you have to read. I have gone through the topics. Then I have implemented 3 okay? In the next in the 7:30 right, I have implemented EF core approach, theater architecture, install packages. What is authentication? I'm just going to read. If you are facing issue, then write in the issue part also. I'm not repeat this thing in the next time. This is the
Okay.
silly one. Okay.
Ma'am, can you provide the doubt session
No,
link?
if your migration is completed, then post in the the screenshot, Ankit. Till now, we've not done anything API, but migration is done, then take a once put a screenshot. Otherwise, what you will put the screenshot? Nothing, na? You can put a screenshot also because I have created this structure, but that is not needed. Any front end part is there, then you could post. From tomorrow onwards, you have to post in the screenshot with screenshot. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Okay. Thank you guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tomorrow
Thank
we'll
you,
meet
ma'am.
again. Fine. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ भाई bro, I need someone's help too.
But like you guys, Tushar, did you do this thing, this whole process before any time, or this is the first time for you?
Bro, seeing this first time actually.
In our
Yeah,
RFP,
yeah. Everybody, I mean, everybody doesn't know. Like,
in
is there
in
anyone
our
who knows and
Everybody,
is
bro, everybody.
in
bro?
our
We
RFP we couldn't
started
even
to
find the project.
If Aniket not going through this topic, then how can someone go? I think
yeah.
he's
That's
doing everything
exactly.
right.
I mean, today is the first day, and this whole process and store errors and I'm so confused. Bro. I don't even understand where to start. Yeah.
Hello.
I thought today will be like, we'll get to know each other and we'll learn some basic topics like definitions and stuff. What this was, this was
He's
like a pro. We are already building a project. I felt like that. Like I'm in a project team and I'm building a project.
Create an unofficial group so that we can help each other.
yeah. No, do one thing. Yeah. Uh,
Yeah. We already have a group called Gunjan batch, something RFP 120 batch we are from. So we 5 people are there, and you guys can add into that. Okay.
Can you share the link?
Can you add by the
what?
email address? Where is the group?
WhatsApp group, bro.
What?
If you guys
WhatsApp
can
group.
post your numbers, we'll add into the group.
Just share link now, bro. Here in chat box.
Okay, you can do that too.
2:30 बजे जल्दी नहीं हो जाएगा भाई?
1 घंटा.
Yeah. Yeah.
2:30 also class or what?
No,
No.
2:30 from we have to
2:30
update
is time
things
to
like
post
we're learning, we're doing
2:30.
things.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
We'll meet again tomorrow at 8:30 only.
Yeah.
But we have to give like 3 indications, like we did this for 3
Mm.
times. Same
You
as
are
that.
no, but just post whatever you're doing.
Only, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Bro, seriously, my beja is fried, bro.
I think no one in the room who not get frustrated now.
I was scared to ask doubts also. Like she was like, wow, how many times do you have to tell you? And
अरे भाई मेरा तो दिमाग चला गया भाई. जो आता है वो भी नहीं आना बंद कर दिया. हाँ भाई. मैं तो बहुत कंफ्यूज था भाई.
मैं नहीं करूंगा अगली बार शेयर.
भाई मैंने
और करेगा अगली.
सच्ची बोलूं क्या, मैंने नाटक बनाया था भाई. मेरा लैपटॉप का
हमने पहले ही बोल दिया था.
पहले गेस किया था हमने हमारे ग्रुप में.
नहीं
ये मेरा
एक बात थी, मगर मेरी 10% ही चार्जिंग थी. अगर मैं चालू करता तो बाद में बंद ही पड़ता ना.
हाँ,
यहाँ
yeah.
पे था फेल्यूर, पावर फेल्यूर था, इसलिए मैंने बोला भाई पहले ही बंद कर दो, नहीं तो बाद में वांदे हो जाएंगे. मैडम बाद में फिर बोलेगी.
किसी ने लेक्चर रिकॉर्ड किया है तो शेयर कर देना.
हाँ भाई, अगर होगा तो